your Roku 4K Smart TV remote is lost, dead, or not working, and you just want to turn your Roku TV on or off without the remote, so here's the quickest way to do it. So every Roku TV has a built-in power button and you can use it in control your TV anytime. So you will find this button right under the middle bottom of your Roku TV. So just reach under the front edge and you will feel it. Now let's turn the TV on. Simply press the power button once and your Roku TV will turn on instantly. So now to turn the TV off, there are two ways you can turn this off. So the first way, you just have to press the same button one time again, and a simple menu will appear on your screen. Just keep pressing the button to scroll through the option, and when you land on turn TV off, just stop pressing. And you can see your TV will shut down on its own. But there have also a faster method. Just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and your Roku TV will turn off immediately. So no menu, no remote needed. This is actually the super quick. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.